Good morning, Trinidad Middle School music students. I hope you are all doing well um, during this time. I miss you all. I really wish we were in person, but unfortunately, here we are. Hopefully, we'll be back one day soon. I wanted to give a presentation on how we are going to access our online music theory assignments. Okay, this is going to take place over the internet on a website called uTheory, spelled uTheory. uTheory. Okay, how I'm going to access that is I'm going to go ahead and go to the internet. Okay, all right, and I'm just going to type in the search bar uTheory. And I'm going to hit enter, okay? And we will be clicking on this first link. It says uTheory Online Music Theory, okay? I'm going to click on that, okay? It's going to give you this screen if you have not logged in before or already, okay? All of you have a login um, that I have specifically given you, and that login is the same login that you use for your laptop if you have a school laptop or for your Microsoft Teams. So the same login that you use. When I get to this page, I'm going to click up here in the right and say log in. Okay, it's going to prompt me to log in. Okay, your login will be your lunch number, do not type lunch number, okay, at trinidad.k12.co.us, okay, and your password, okay, just like your Teams login, is going to be your birthday. So if mine was July 4th, 1776, which is America's birthday, right, Independence Day, I would type in capital J for July and spell out July 041776. Okay, and then I'm going to hit sign in and it's going to sign me in. You can say save if you want it to save your password, or if you don't want it to where you have to type it in every time, you can hit never. All right, now this is your platform. Okay, all right, each student has a class that you are under. So my sample student is actually in my beginning band class, but if you are in choir or TMS band, you have your own class there. Okay, this is your dashboard. Okay, and these are the different lessons that need to be completed. All right, and if you scroll down, there's also skills that you have to master. Okay, all right, now you can access these in a couple of different ways. All right, you can hit start, okay, and it'll take you to the very first lesson. Okay, all right, and then you just follow, okay, the steps, okay, for what's going to happen. There's going to be little videos. Okay, you need to watch the videos if there's a video, okay, and then after you watch the video, you hit next, okay, all right, and then you need to follow the directions on how this works, okay, so if I click start, okay, if I'm using headphones, okay, or I'm going to use my speakers, okay, and I'm just going to click with the mouse or use the space bar. See, click the button or use space bar. So I can either, when I'm ready to go, I'm going to hit start count off, okay, and I either click or use the space. Okay, there's a metronome going. Let's see, and I missed it. Okay, there's only a certain amount of time. So I have to try it again, all right? Turn that up. Click the button or use the space bar. I'm going to start. Ready, go. Click, 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 click. Now, see how it tells me like where I might not have landed the beat? Okay, so that's going to be some of the lessons for your um, basic stuff, okay? So if I go back to our dashboard, then it tells me how much I've got completed. I have 3% of my rhythm lesson completed, all right? And then when you start any of these ones, okay, it'll do the same kind of thing. And look, I got some uTheory points, okay? And I'm going to come up with a prize system to where, depending on how many points you get something. I don't know if it's going to be extra credit or maybe it'll be a physical prize, but there will be something, okay? So be striving for that. If I click up here on lessons, okay, it'll tell me the exact ones, okay? Now, right now I have to go in and change these due dates because this is from the spring, okay? So I will go in and change those as we go, okay? So pay attention to those due dates, and then I will also have a assignment in Microsoft Teams in whichever class you are in that has to do with these different lessons, okay? All right, so you can hit start on any of them, okay? I would go in order, otherwise if you get to like this one, you won't understand this one unless you've had this one. Okay, so they are in numerical order on how you should learn them. Okay, so there's a bunch, all right? We may get to all of them, we may get to some, but make sure you're paying attention to that. So those are the lessons, and then if you go to skills, okay, you can click on any one of these and see how it has a percentage sign next to it. That means you haven't done it, all right? So for example, I might assign you the first lesson, beats, quarter, and eighth notes, okay? And the skills, okay, actually I'll do maybe, you know, the first two lessons and the first skill, all right? You'll just have to look at what the assignment is in Microsoft Teams, all right? So then once you do it, okay, it tells you you're going to have 7 exercises for this particular one. Okay, you're going to do simple meter rhythm sort, rhythm math. Okay, and if you don't know what any of these terms mean, you're going to learn them in the first lesson. Everybody starting with the first lesson, okay? So if I hit start practice, okay, this is a little exercise. Rearrange the rhythms, notes, and rests to match their durations, okay? All right, so this says 4 beats. Notice how I can't click on it because it wants me to find whatever over here is 4 beats. So a whole note, I know a whole note gets 4 beats, so I'm going to move that there. I know that is not what a whole note looks like. A whole note looks like a hole in the ground, like that one. I'm going to put that one, whoops, up there. Go up there, guy. There we go. Okay, and a whole rest also looks like a hole dug in the ground from the side. So this one's correct. I don't have to do that. Okay, now if I hit check, okay, obviously it's not complete because I haven't done any of these ones. Okay, so if I do these ones really fast, okay, I know that, okay, all right, 1 beat is a quarter note. Quarter note looks like that. Whoops, go up there, guy. Okay, a quarter rest looks like that. Half of a beat is an eighth note. Look, that's correct. A 32nd note, that has 3 little flags. Okay, there we go. Whoops, that one goes there. All right, and if I hit check, okay, oh, it tells me these are wrong, so we're going to switch these. Okay, so it'll tell you what's wrong. Okay, there we go. And then it moves on to the next thing. Okay, how many eighth notes are in 1 half note? Let's see. It's not 1. 2 would be 1 beat. 3 would be 1.5 beats. 4 would be the 2 beats. So I'm going to say 4. Let's see if it's right. It's not. Okay. These are 16th notes, right? So it tells you what you get wrong. 16th notes. Okay. There's going to be 8 of them. See? There we go. All right. So, and let's say you can't finish the assignment. Let's say you have to go eat dinner or lunch or whatever. Okay. If I go back to skills, it tells me how much I've gotten done. It will not be considered complete until this says 100% over here. All right? So once I get that 100% or that final grade after you complete it, okay, it might tell you once you complete it, you will get a certain score. So on the lessons, it'll say 100%, but on the skills, it'll be whatever percent you got right. All right. Now, if you know, did the whole thing and you got a 10%, okay, you're going to have to try again. All right. Because you don't want that 10% to go in the grade book. That's a very low score. All right. So that is uTheory. You can always go back to the dashboard, look at that. I have some more uTheory points, okay? If you need some, you shouldn't have to change anything over here, okay? Um, you know, if you wanted to, you can add yourself a little picture, okay? You will not change any of this stuff. You will not change your name, so I know who you are. All of your information is in there. Okay, so please refer back to this video. Okay, if you need help, please contact me. But before you contact me, I want you to watch this video first. Okay, if you forget how to log in, if you forget your login, okay, refer back to this video. All right, be paying attention to due dates and let me know if you have any questions. All right. Okay. Take care, guys.